is up, everyone? It is your boy Young Slant. Today we're actually going to be going to my homie's house and test fitting his wheels because he wants to buy new wheels, and I'm going to see if I can buy his old wheels. If it sounds to me for cheap, but maybe not, or maybe. And yeah, maybe after that we'll see if we'll go street drifting later in his Cressida. So yeah, let's get right into this bitch. Yee! Okay, actually before I go, my fucking quick release is stupid loose. I don't know if you guys can see how far out the bolts are, but this is not supposed to move at all. But yeah, let's fix that right away. Alright, so finally got the little Allen wrench shit. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, let me just tighten this bitch up real quick, and we can head out. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, that's what you do. Dude, this is gonna get me stripped. I just stripped all these fucking bolts. Oh shit, hopefully I don't fucking need this. Yeah, let's get to Isaac's now. Fucking shit. What's up, Isaac? Fucking dark, but so. Fuck. The Cressida today or what? You're drifting it? You're gonna go get?
I don't know. It only does it like on the gravel.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
I put air in the tires right now too.
Air in the tires? Oh yeah, yeah. Fuck yeah. So are we gonna rip this shit right now or what?
Go.
Let's go. We're gonna wait for Christian or what? You wanna test fit?
That guy.
You wanna test fit the rims first on my car, or you wanna take this shit for a rip? Cause we can wait for Christian. Pleasure. Fuck. Isaac, the wheels, the old rim, the old JNCs, whatever the fuck they were. Fuck. I don't know. Isaac's test fitting them. They look a lot. I don't know.
I fuck with these more than those.
Yeah, me too.
They fit the car.
Oh shit. Yeah, low key they do. Fuck with them hella. Both the Toyotas. We got the MR2 and the Cressida. Fuck yeah. Are they on?
Yeah.
For sure. Fucking crazy. I don't know. I like the way they look a lot. Dude, is it getting lower?
Nah, that's it right there.
Oh, that's it?
It looks sick.
Oh, bro.
You don't have fucking fitment like on this.
Fuck.
You could put spacers.
Yeah, no, I could put a spacer on it. Dude, I feel like I added way more camber too.
What the fuck? It's more noticeable with the camera.
Yeah, it is. Dude, it looks crazy. I fuck with it.
I fuck with it.
I fuck with it.
Where's the last one? Oh, it's right here.
Fucking crazy.
Oh,
JDM, oh. I don't know.
Are you moist right now?
I'm hella moist. Did you cop a Moist Boys hoodie?
Nah, how much are they? 60?
Yeah, like 60 bucks.
Nah.
This rim versus the new rim. I don't know. What do you think, Isaac?
The powdering is coating is kind of chipped.
Fuck, I don't know. The boy Christian? Fuck.
Should we just put the other side on right now then?
The front one or the back one?
The other side.
Oh, fuck. It looks fucking stupid. I just realized that. Fuck.
Oh, that doesn't have fitment?
Yeah, it looks stupid.
I don't know, but that's how track cars are.
True, but it's because of the camber.
Have the spacer though. That's how it looks on my car too.
Dude, that's copyright.
Get monetized. Or is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I was in my feelings.
This nigga bought shorts.
Yeah, Cali niggas.
It's facts.
Oh, what the fuck? Is that a Cressida?
Dude, we gotta go drifting in it.
Oh, we're going? For sure.
No, we already did.
Yeah, that too.
Here, I got you
We
this.
already drifted. Thank you.
Because I know you're vegan.
You know I'm gay. How'd you know I was gay?
Hey, we gotta talk about that shit that happened on my car.
Oh,
What is
facts.
this we're talking about?
You shitted on his hood,
Did
huh?
you see the video?
Nah, he hasn't seen it.
Oh, fuck. I saw that shit right when it uploaded. I was like, oh shit,
Shit
Julio's
on
probably
the
leaving
hood.
already. And I checked it, he said, on my way.
Oh,
That's
this
the
one's
one that Chris gave you, huh?
hard.
Chris,
Jesus Christ. This one's
Hey,
clean,
look
man.
at this.
Hella graphic.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, is that a penis too? Oh,
It fucked your car up?
dude, I can't clean it because he shit on
He shitted on the car.
me. He
Fuck.
thinks he's fucking a comedian.
Fuck that kid.
Dude, you haven't seen that picture, huh? It's me, Caesar, and Isaac. It was senior year. And we were in summer school, all of us. Oh, and you know how they give you like fucking like no sandwiches, Uncrustables?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I opened that shit and I threw that shit at Isaac's Integra, the DA. Dude, someone has the fucking pictures. Oh, they're on my old phone. I'm gonna send them to you tonight.
For sure. Gotta take the fucking Cressida drifting. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the NKs. I like the way they look. I like the way they look a lot better than these ones. But fitment wise, they look like shit. So yeah. Let's go drifting. Fuck yeah, I like the way they look, but fitment
A little
wise,
bit of camp.
they look like shit.
Watch out, Isaac. There's a car coming. Oh, you're good. You're good now. They turn.
Fuck.
But yeah, the females, that's good. That's what I noticed about the jeans too. But I don't want to rap jeans.
Bro, I was sending Brenda's
Facts.
fucking rap 4 yesterday, Isaac.
Oh,
fuck! Oh, dude. What the fuck, dude? Holy shit, I can't see where I'm at no more. Where the walls are close.
Holy shit! Oh
shit, I'm on the grass.
You're on the grass.
It's fucking fun though.
Oh shit! Oh my fucking god!
Okay, I don't know this enough.
Oh shit! It's doing that shit! Woo! 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 Oh shit! Oh! It's actually doing it.
Dude, I can see shit no more. Dude, I can see shit.
Dude.
Dude.
Dude, it's fucking.
Dude, it's fucking.
Dude.
Bro,
You can't see that
It
thing.
slides in first gear.
Huh?
You gotta do it in low gear.
It does do it now?
Yeah,
Holy
dude, that's literally
shit.
that's what I was doing. I was doing it.
How's how are the tires looking?
Dude, look at that toasted.
Oh,
Son,
shit.
they're gonna about to pop.
Dude, they're pop.
Do you think they're about to pop?
Nah, they won't pop. They need to lose a lot of tread. That's why I was banging off red line. I don't know if you saw me earlier. I was banging off red line. Yeah. Go 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 go. Yeah! Oh fuck yeah! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Oh shit! I missed it by a
Dude, holy shit!
Dude, you saw that?
Oh yeah!
Dude,
Dude, holy shit! Dude, fucking Isaac! That was sick
I
as
missed
fuck!
it by a fucking couple inches.
Go for it! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Holy shit!
Oh, yeah! This is sick! Red light, baby! Holy shit! Fuck yeah, Isaac! Oh! Bang off red line! Oh! Dude, he almost nailed that shit.
That shit was sick.
Oh! Oh shit! Fuck yeah, Isaac! Fucking Isaac! Let's fucking go! Oh, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, Isaac!
Dude,
Alright.
did you get dirty?
Nah. Fuck yeah, this car's sick, bro. Fuck yeah.
Dude, this one's big. Holy fuck,
Dude,
dog.
these shits are
Holy
fucked.
shit, Isaac, look.
Nigga, these shits are baked. Dude, let's see the other one. I wanna see the other one, I wanna see the other one.
Bruh.
Bro, fucking Isaac, you're
Dude, what,
insane.
Dude, they were fucking. Dude, look at this car.
Dude. Dude, it looks like a drag. There's no tread.
Bruh.
There's no. Dude, that shit's about to pop, bro. We need to change it when we get home. Let's get the fuck out of here. This place is hot.
Think he's gonna make it back?
Yeah, I don't make it back.
Yeah, just go.
Boys, we got back the damage. One of the damages. Car's dustier than a motherfucker. I'll tell you that much. Damn, Isaac, this shit dusty as fuck. Dude. Dude, let me bring out the light real quick.
Dude, look at those tires.
Yeah.
Fucking toast.
It'll probably burn out now.
Dude.
You think I could still daily it like that?
yeah, you can daily
Dude,
like
this shit's
that.
about to detach right here.
Yeah, it literally is.
Oh, you pull it with no hood attached?
No fucking
No
tires
tire?
attached.
And a backwood.
Dude, look how fucking bad that shit is.
Backwood.
Dude, I wish I would've got the where it actually popped, because that shit was crazy.
That shit sounded nasty.
Dude, you have a drag radial now.
Huh?
You have a drag radial now.
Dude, I've never been sliding anything. It felt cool.
I felt gangster, huh?
Even though we were fucking doing some truck shit right now.
Facts. In the dirt, automatic, low gear.
Dude, I felt like.
fuck.
Dude, this car would be badass. Fucking one day, this car's gonna be fucking sick.
Dude, I felt like I was in Japan.
Japan drifting?
Yeah, like I just closed
In
my eyes
Osaka?
and I was like,
Japan?
oh shit. Yeah. Ermi truck.
Oh, in Matsuri?
Matsuri?
Drift missile?
Fuck.
You guys should just turn this thing into a drift missile.
Exactly.
All stock though.
All stock.
You can't just take fucking open headers. Well, on both those shits right now. No exhaust. Fuck some shit around. High compression.
Let's just take off all the headers right now.
I'm fucking down. Let's do it. Take it. Give me this
Open
shit.
headers.
Dude, the only time I got scared was when I thought you were gonna hit that fucking pole,
no,
bro.
but when the fucking car came.
Oh, bro, fuck yeah, dude, cause that shit was mad sketch. Nigga, we were doing
Like, nah, it's probably someone's fucking parents.
we were doing donuts for like 20 minutes, bro.
We were there for a while.
Are your front ones fucked? Nah, you chilling.
Dude, I think they're all fucked. They were all toasted.
Oh my god!
Dude, look at
I have a picture of when we first bought the car, and I'll put it up on the screen right now. But fucking dude, this shit is dusty, bro. This does
Bro,
not
was
look
that
the
shit leaking?
same.
The power steering?
It doesn't matter if you get the alternator wet.
Alternator? No.
It'll just alternate.
Dude, this shit is fucking dusty.
So you're
gotta take off
gonna
that
help me
fucking-
clean this shit, Julio?
Yeah, we'll clean this shit. We'll take out the battery, and then we'll. Where's your fuse box?
I was thinking of getting.
Oh, your fuse box is right there. Then
radiator,
we'll just fucking
too.
clean the fuse box. Dude, get a fucking Mishimoto
They're
radiator.
kinda expensive too. Like 300.
Yeah,
400.
but that's not bad if you get a Mishimoto one. Man, we need to get fucking
Dude,
sponsored
fuck
already.
that air intake though.
Dude,
That
facts.
shit sounds like a bus.
Look
'cause
how
of that.
big
Holy
this
shit.
shit is.
She has like 3 separate.
Bro, you should look for an aftermarket one that's actually good.
Like a good brand.
Yeah.
Dude,
Bro,
that's
we just need a manual swap this already, Isaac. I'm tired of
That'd be
this
so
automatic.
fun.
Fuck
The
yeah.
shifting the gears.
Dude, we literally just hit second.
Redlining.
Red line it, second gear.
Dude, this would do a fat burnout.
Dude, this
With
would do.
small tires.
Oh my god, this thing would do nasty burnouts.
Oh,
Probably the
crazy.
coilovers.